Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. So, this will be quick and easy. So, let's start. So, first, you need to have a YouTube account, and it's quite easy because if you have a Google account, that will also be your YouTube account. So, go to your YouTube account and click on your avatar on the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. Now here, under the category Your YouTube Channel, click on Add or Manage Channel. Click on Create a Channel. So here, you can add a name for your channel and click on the checkbox and click Create. Now you have a YouTube channel, so you can customize this by adding a banner and also your picture. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.